Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Illness of Obatala. Story: Obatala said, "To know if Ṣàngó loves me, he must prove it to me." Not long after, Obatala became gravely ill, and the news spread that he had òtokú, died suddenly, and everyone was surprised. They told Ṣàngó, who stepped outside the house and observed the natural surroundings, as was his custom. He went back inside and ordered a large serving of amala ila, yam flour with okra sauce, and ate very well. Then he left for Obatala's house, went all the way to the back, and when he reached Obatala's bedside, he began to thunder fiercely. Obatala, who was lying down, got scared and jumped up. Ṣàngó said to him, "Father, they told me you had òtokú, and from the shock I received, this is what I did." Then Obatala said, "Now I know how much you love me. Note, be careful, a fright can cause òtokú in a person."